So let's take this piece of code in here where we have char grade equals to A. If the grade is A, we print excellent. Else if grade equals to B or C, we say pass. Otherwise, we say fail. What I want to teach you now is switch statement. So the switch statement allows us to improve the readability of our code when we have a bunch of nested else if statements. So the switch statement goes like this. So I'm going to rewrite this using switch and you'll see the difference. So in here, I'm going to say switch, and switch takes a value that you want to switch on. So in our case, we want to switch on grade. So now we have the ability of basically having all of these cases. So grade equals to A, B, C, or anything else, it's a fail. So if you want to check if the grade is equal to A, you say case, and then you basically specify your condition. So here, A. So if this is the case, I'm going to say south and then excellent. If it's equal to B or C, we can say case, and then within single quotes, I'm going to say C, and then within single quotes, I'm going to say B. And have a look, if you also want to say or C, you can have a different case. So you can say case, and I actually need to end this with semicolon there, and then case, and then C. So if this is the case, I'm going to south and then pass. Then if you want to have the default value, you just say default. So default and add semicolon and then south and then fail. Now have a look. This is actually much better than this piece of code because we have if A, else if, grade equals, or, and you can imagine if we had a bunch of other else if conditions inside, then this would look a bit cumbersome. So instead we could use the switch statement. Now, if I basically run this code, so let me just take this, and you can grab this from the description of this video. So I'm just going to cut this in here, and let's have our string, or actually this is a character, and then grade equals to single quotes, and then A. So if I run this now, have a look, we have excellent, pass, and fail. Now the reason why this is actually giving us all of these lines, so it's printing this, this, and this, and have a look, grade is equal to A, right? So it's meant to only print this. The reason why it's doing this is because we need to have a break statement. So the break statement says, please exit out of this switch statement. So here also I need to say break. And for the default, there is no need because this is the case where either this is false and then it just basically prints in here. Actually, let me just show you. So if I remove this break for now, and then if I say, for example, L. So let's just say L, for example, run this, you can see that it goes straight to default. So this is why I was saying here, let's just say A. And here we need a break. So break, and here as well, break. There we go. Now if I run this with grade A, run it, you can see that now we have excellent. So the same if I say B, this will be pass. Or if I say C, this will also be a pass because it's an or, right? So have a look, it's an or in here. Otherwise, if you pass anything that it doesn't know, then it's a fail. And this is how you use the switch statement to replace nested else if conditions.